What's up, everybody? Your boy Pat back again with another edition of Second Take. Today's topic of the day is the Sony PlayStation VR2.
This is a Heat Rocks production.
Now, before we get into it, make sure you like and subscribe and hit the bell as it helps out the channel. So, this shot here is a little wider than I normally do, so you can see a little bit of stuff in the background. You can see more of my tripods to the left. You can see the window in which I film across from in the background, and to the right, I don't know if you can see any bags there, but I didn't move anything because it is what it is, fellas. It is what it is, ladies. So, I wanted to get the PlayStation View for quite some time. I finally was able to get one, and let's look at the box really quick. This box is big for the shot, but it's really small when you actually get the product. So this one has the Horizon VR Call of the Mountain included. You can see on the front, you have Sony branding, got PlayStation VR branding saying teen, PS5 required. So keep in mind, you can't just buy this and start playing with it. You need to have a PS5. So this is gonna run you a little bit of dough. $500 for the PlayStation, $500 for this. You're talking $1,000 if you wanted to get into VR. On the right side, let's look really quickly. You got PlayStation VR. I don't know what that 10 is. I'm hoping they didn't send me a used version, but you got, it looks like 2 handles. You got the VR headset, Sense controller, USB cable, stereo headphones, 6 earpieces, Call of the Mountain voucher, and then printed materials on the back. And obviously, you know, I pre-cut these open, but I never look inside. It's just I don't want to be here all day with a blade. You can pause the video, read all this if you like. On the left side, you got more Horizon kind of Call of the Mountain deal going on. And then on the bottom, you just got a little bit of Sony branding, old school OG Sony branding right there. SIE, Sony Interactive Entertainment, and then got a little cutout there. But let's get into the box really quickly and see what we have inside, because I'm excited because I did not look in here. Okay, so this looks like it ripped, but they got a little hinge action going. We'll go ahead and rip the rest too. Why not? Just because it makes it a little easier to grab stuff outside the box. Okay, looks like there's another box inside of here. Let's tip this over and do it so gravity helps us. Let's make life easy here today. Okay, we'll get rid of the shell. We'll pull out the other box. I really like this box. Old school PlayStation logo. Got the triangle, circle, X, square for all the PlayStation heads. You know what that is. On the right, you got triangle and circle. And on the left, you got X and square. So I like how they split the two sets of buttons per se on both sides, and they didn't cheapen the effect. And then on the back, you got X, square, triangle, circle. On the bottom, you got a bunch of stuff. Let's look inside and see what we got. So, all right, looks like the VR is to the left, but let's see what's here on the top. Okay, so you're getting your Verizon code, right? It's obviously on the back of this. I'm not going to show you that because you guys are going to steal my code. PlayStation VR, you're getting a whole bunch of books. So looks like it's, you know, you're going to have a little bit of learning curve possibly. You're getting USB type A to USB type C on the cord. It's looking like some headphones here. Let's see if I can open this. Oh, you're getting a lot of pieces too. Okay, so you're getting, it looks like a 3.5 millimeter jack with some headphones, earbuds per se, and then you're getting all these pieces. I'm not going to go through all these pieces, but obviously different size ears, so you get a few different sets to make it match for your particular ear size. We'll throw that box to the side. Okay, we're getting the headset, it looks like. And we're getting the hand joysticks inside as well. So we'll pull these out. We'll put the box to the side. It's a lot of stuff in this, so I apologize if the shot gets a little messy, but I want to give you guys the real. I don't want to edit stuff and make it look fake, and I want you to see the true unboxing experience. So it's just kind of like almost like styrofoam bags they give you. It doesn't feel environmentally friendly. Okay. All right, so it's a lot in there, right? It's a lot in there, right? So let's do this. We'll take this kind of clean up the shot a little bit. Right, we'll put these to the side for now. And you can see in the background there, I have my Samsung Galaxy S9, in which I just did a video. Go check that out. But you're getting 2 sets of joysticks, and I'll show you how these look. So they look like that. And you got 2 thumbs, no, 1 thumb, a left here and a right thumb. Yeah, so you have 2 thumbs. These PlayStation buttons right here actually do click. It looks like you got a button there, a button there. You got square, triangle, X, and circle. And then you also have a L1 and a R1 and a bump L2 and a R2. So you got the triggers and the bumpers. So it's basically a PlayStation controller, it looks like, without the D-pad. And then you have 2 PlayStation buttons here under my thumb, which we'll find out what those are later. And then you also have, it looks like, to put on to your wrist so you don't throw the controller. And if we remember, the Nintendo Wii was like the first ones to give us the wristbands. So I'm guessing, yeah, you're gonna put that on like that. Let's see if we can do it. So we'll go through here, right? Go through there, and then that's how the wristband holds. So you know, you don't want to just let these dangle, but in case these do slip out of your hands, you're not gonna throw it at your TV or throw it at somebody, your dog, your mother, your wife. So let's put the controllers per se to the side, and we'll see what the actual headset looks like. So it looks like you got a USB Type-C, and it's a super long cord. I would say that's at least 10 feet if I was to take a guess. And then you have, I guess this is your tension to adjust it, how tight you want to get it. We'll figure this all out, but this is just an unboxing. You got your eyes in there, and I don't want to touch that because I've seen people ruin it. It looks like you have maybe a power button here, and then you have that's going to be like your adjustment for your focus. So, but really cool. Got PlayStation logo there. Got some sensors here. 4 sensors, it looks like. I don't know what those are. I've never had a VR before. Got more PlayStation branding. Got a power button right there. Got, looks like a sync button right there. And got a speaker right there. These look like they're going to be pretty comfortable. I don't know what that is. There's 2 of them on each side. And then this is all rubber. This kind of feels cheap, to be honest with you. I don't know if that's going to be comfortable because I was hoping to be cushioned back there, but and then this feels like it's gonna just be full of sweat, but we'll see, man. But anyway, that's a quick unboxing of the PlayStation VR2. I hope you enjoy this. I'm hoping that I enjoy this system because this I spent some money on this, so I'm hoping that I'm gonna enjoy this. But we'll check this out in the next couple of days. Maybe I'll come back and give a review on it. But I'm expecting big things from the PlayStation VR2. Shout out to everybody rocking me on Instagram, YouTube, the Anchor app. You can also find me on Spotify, as well as Apple and Google Podcasts. It's your boy Pat. Peace. Catch you on the next one.